Finally, after a year and a half of planning and saving up, I can finally get these parts. I feel like Thanos when he collected all the stones. Well, I've collected all the parts, and now I can start constructing my computer. Almost done building it. I just gotta install this into here now. Very excited.
So the CPU cable that they gave me did not fit, so it looks like I have to order another cable.
Oh my god, bro.
Alright, got the new CPU cable and it fits. Let's try it out. Wait. Whoa, wait, hold up. Oh my god, yo. Ready to get my monitor. Yo! I get the BIOS screen! Okay, everything's booting up. BIOS is booting up. The only issue is that these fans are not spinning, and that's because I forgot to connect this SATA cable to the power supply. So let's do that and let's see if that works. Yo! The fans are spinning! Ayy!